Hey, you. Yes, you. You look like a nice sort of a chap. And a fancy one, too. My. Speaking of fancy, perhaps you fancy earning yourself certain rewards by doing work so simple a monkey like you could do it. Yes, that's right. Dance, little monkey. Very good. Now, shall we begin?
So what's this all about? Well, let me tell you, up until now, all the talk has been about validators, but now it's your chance. The delegator. So step up and tell us what you think of our staking dashboard. And you can find it at talk.harmony.one. Check it out. Have a look at all the metrics and the design, basically anything. If you like something, let us know. If you don't like something, let us know. Now, the way to get involved and win your share of 250,000 one tokens that are up for grabs is to set up a new address, first of all, at harmony.one/delegators. That address will then be funded with 1,000,000 one test tokens, not the real ones. If for any reason that doesn't happen, reach out to Maggie. She's the person running this initiative. She's awesome. She will sort you out. And then just share your feedback at talk.harmony.one. Now, this is a very short-lived campaign. It'll be running to the 24th of April. But seriously, get involved. This is your chance to have your say. It's been all about the validators up till now. Now it's about you. Let us know. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing a tuxedo, well, let me ask you this. Why not? And then the ultimate flex. Check this out. That's right. Tied it myself. Enjoy. See you at talk.harmony.one. Yeah, don't be shy. Let us know what you think. Peace.